going on YouTube? It's your boy Coach Rob 619 back with another video. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can get all my videos in the future. So what's going on, guys? Let's jump into this one. I'm excited about bringing you this one today. This is probably one of my favorite fragrances in my collection in the $10 to $15 range. To me, this is a steal for that price. And obviously, like in the title, I'm talking about Windsor. Now, this Windsor Pour Homme, it has a ton of notes in it, but they all blend together and makes this great scent. I love wearing it. This is my go-to fall, winter. Like you guys know, don't get that cold out here, but I love wearing it on the cooler days in my climate. And to jump in, some of the notes you get from this, you're going to get like a fresh opening apple, a little bit of citrus, but quickly develops into like a sweet tobacco vibe. You're going to get some cinnamon, some tonka, just a lot of sweetness, and you're going to get this little leather. So it's like a sweet leather combination with that freshness on top. Absolutely love the way this develops and how it smells. For $10 to $15, you can't beat the smell. I think I got this from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I can't remember, not for sure. One of those, discount retailers. You can find them anywhere. I've seen, anytime I go to Ross, Marshall, TJ Maxx, you will see this in there for 10 to 15 bucks. Pretty much all the English laundry fragrances you'll find in there. And they're all pretty cheap. They're all done well in my opinion. Everyone that I smelled I liked, but I really like this one. I think this is a great masculine fragrance for your 30+ crowd. Really does well. To me, this would be a great date scent. This would be a great night out scent. Any environment like that, definitely this is what I'm going with. I like the way it smells. I think we'll do well in a nighttime or date night situation. And I received a few compliments with this one, man. So this one is definitely a compliment getter. Definitely one that ladies will find attractive on you. So if you haven't smelled this one, go look into your normal TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and you'll find it for 10 to 15 bucks. And try some of their other fragrances. I also like Arrogant. That's another great one by English Laundry. So if you ever see these ones, you're just shopping for something cheap, look into these fragrances, pick up a few. I don't believe you'll be disappointed. But hey guys, that concludes my video. English Laundry, Windsor Pour Homme, great fragrance, great bang for your buck, great bargain bin type of quick grab fragrance. Try it out. Depending on what the ladies say, determines what I spray. Peace.